In this video, we're going to see how we can send and monitor the tables we are creating inside Porter metrics and that we are going to send to Google BigQuery. Let's go. We are back inside Porter metrics, and the table that we are going to send to Google BigQuery is the one we are seeing in the right. Remember, this is just a preview. Probably inside Google BigQuery, we are going to see more rows. Now I want to take a look to the columns of this table. In this case are date, blended data source type, blended country, region, Meta ads clicks, Google ads clicks, blended clicks, and others. If we click on the play button at the top of the left panel, we are going to send this table inside Google BigQuery. So let's do it. As soon as you do that, then you will receive a message telling you that the process was successful. Now let's go into Google BigQuery and check if the table was actually created. Before going into Google BigQuery to check if the table we just created inside Porter Metrics was actually sent to Google BigQuery, I want you to remember the settings that we applied to this table when we were choosing the Google Cloud account to where we were going to send the table. So I just got back here in our demo. Remember, we click on BigQuery, and please take a look on the project ID that this moment is marketing data test project, the dataset that at this moment is marketing ads. And remember, we named this table as meta underscore ads underscore Google ads. So this is the roadmap that we are going to follow in Google BigQuery. We're going to enter to Santiago Cardoso Google Cloud account. We're going to check for the project ID marketing data test project that will contain a dataset that is called marketing ads. And this dataset marketing ads will contain a new table called meta underscore ads underscore Google ads. So let's go into it and let's check it out. If you want to see this step in more detail, you can go and click in the top right corner and see the video we created around this specific topic. Now let's go to Google BigQuery. We are now inside my Google Cloud account. And remember, the first thing we're gonna check is the project ID. Remember, the table we created is inside the project ID marketing data test project. So we are correct. The little purple dot is highlighting the project we are in inside Google BigQuery. In this case, marketing data test project. So now we are gonna check the datasets inside this project. If I click on datasets, now you will see in the right a table with the dataset IDs I have inside the marketing data test project. In this case, I have marketing underscore ads and test underscore datasets. Remember, the table is inside the marketing underscore ads dataset. So now we're gonna click on marketing ads. After I click on it, now I will have access to all the tables that are inside the dataset marketing underscore ads. In this case, meta underscore ads underscore Google underscore ads. That is the table we just created in Porter, and now it's available for us inside Google BigQuery. If we click on it, the first thing we're gonna see is the table schema. I highlighted the table schema with the purple square. You can see there is a column that it says field name. Those field names are the columns inside the table. Then you will see a column that is called type. That is the type of the values that are inside of each column. For example, in the date column, all the values inside of it should have a date format. For the amount spent, all the values should be float. And for country, all the values should be a string. And finally, you have a third column called mode, that in this case, for all of them, it says nullable. What this means is that a value inside of that column can be null, that means empty, or have a value. Now, if you click on preview, you will have a preview of the table we just have created in Porter, and now it's available in Google BigQuery. You have the date column, the clicks, the amount spent, conversions, the country. Remember that we did a filter on country, excluding any country that was not Mexico. We have a region and the other fields that we selected in Porter metrics. Now that you have this table inside Google BigQuery, you can run SQL queries, or you can connect this table to Looker Studio so your dashboard loads in light speed. And this is how you can send and monitor all the tables that you are creating inside Porter and that you're going to be sending to Google BigQuery.